Hi, how are you? Today we'll draw Ninja Turtles here. Let's begin. We can draw an elliptical shape here. Alright. Now let's draw like this. Here's the eyes. And head. Alright. This is on the back side. Let's put on a big smile on his face with a big teeth here. Yeah, looks like it's smiling. This is the body. Looks good. Alright, so this is the smiley face of Ninja Turtles. Let's do a little more detailing. Starting from here, the more we put a shade, the more it becomes lively. See? Also shades here. These are the curved parts of the body. Looks like it's put a ribbon over his eyes and it's tied in the back. These two are the part. Also you can put little shades here. So this is the drawing. I hope you guys like it. All you need to do is to do more practice. If you practice and practice, the drawing will be better and better. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends and family members about it and put the bell icons on to get any new update on this channel, Blue Hands Drawing. Thank you so much. Have a good day.